Welcome to this lecture in the course. Here, I want to help you understand what Ethereum is. At its most high-level surface understanding, Ethereum is a public blockchain that empowers developers to build, use, and publish decentralized applications upon it. As with Bitcoin, Ethereum is decentralized in its structure, meaning no one single party controls the network. In other words, it's open source. However, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is more adaptable in its purpose. Whereas with Bitcoin the intention is for peer-to-peer electronic cash system, Ethereum allows the running of programming code for any decentralized application. That leads me nicely onto the Ethereum virtual machine. As you can tell now, blockchain technology prior to Ethereum was limited in its capabilities. But Ethereum, with the innovation of the Ethereum virtual machine, enabled anyone to run any program, regardless of the programming language. It's a Turing complete software. The EVM, short for Ethereum virtual machine, allows the creation of blockchain applications much more efficiently than ever was possible before. As now, a completely new blockchain need not be built for each and every decentralized application. Rather, they can harness the power of Ethereum. dApp, which is short for decentralized application, is something we'll dive into a bit more later in this course. However, I would like to give you a surface level understanding here, as it correlates with what this lecture is all about, a brief understanding of Ethereum. A good example here would be to say Bitcoin is a decentralized application, as it allows peer-to-peer payments. In fact, you could essentially create your own version of Bitcoin upon Ethereum. As well as that example, many other dApps could be created, where they are land registry databases, voting platforms, fair gambling sites, and so much more. Basically, pretty much any centralized service can be decentralized using Ethereum. Just to round this lecture off on what Ethereum is, I want to introduce you to smart contracts. Once again at surface level, as we'll be diving far deeper as we work through this course. Now, don't get intimidated by the term smart contract. At its core, it's just code that facilitates what is programmed to do, whether that's exchanging money, providing content rights, and so on. It self-executes when specific conditions are met. Those conditions would have been programmed in upon its inception. Remember this, because smart contracts run upon the blockchain. They run exactly as they are programmed to do so, without fraud, downtime, and third-party collusion. That's important. But that's everything for this lecture. See you in another lecture where we'll dive deeper.